Traffic, experimental 544 Juliet X-ray, flight of 2, taking runway 29, the right crosswind departure, staying in the area for the next half hour or so, Marina.
Free text showing TAC, and I got landing reference point RPM 2. Free text is as expected. I have no stack alerts. Foot brakes are off, parking brakes off. Coming for the takeoff and accel to 90 knots for the climb. Here we go. Wind's a little left to right. Airborne, sending it. Just holding a bit of a climb and then relaxing the climb into H-dot. I'm going to take just a bit of a heading cut here for the wind. There's the accel. Showing about 1.3 on the accel. There's the pitch attitude change. Coming through 40. Slight balloon and flight path. Very nice. There's through 60. Still showing about 1.3 on the accel. Through 80 and expecting 90, and then we're going to slowly come up for the climb. Gentle aft and release at 5 degrees. Here's the RPMs coming down. Real nice on the climb. On the tracker, squelch brake on COM 2, we'll just ignore that. Keeping the climb, just not too steep. Give Chase a chance to catch up. And stay up. Out of 900 for 1500. I'm basically hands off 90 knots coming to 1000. Airplane's smooth and incredibly quiet. I got Chase back at my 8 o'clock. All right, 200 to go. I'm showing 91% state of charge. I think this is about the smoothest I've seen it. So really nice. Coming up to level out at 1,500 feet. Just pushing over, give Chase a chance to catch up. And there's just hitting the level button. Cruising, Chase will be coming right. 3, 2, 1, mark gentle.
Ready, right.
Degrees. Copy, ready, right. Rolling in, looking at side slip, very well coordinated. Pitch compensation is plumb on. I've done nothing with anything other than just a lateral stick roll in. Airplane's flying really nice. Very smooth ride in external environments this evening, so not really feeling the airplane work very hard to suppress any of the external environment, and just rolling out that track. Just going to try a bit of a side slip here, so just twisting here at 90 knots. There's 2 degrees, releasing, and about 2 seconds to come back to coordination, so twisting left, wings level, there's 2 degrees, full left and twist. Getting a subtle side force with that, really nice there. Gonna try 5 degree down capture. Here we coming downhill, 5 degrees, pushing over. And then releasing. Real nice on the pitch attitude capture, and then just letting the flight path float back down about a second and a half with T theta 2. Pulling back up, and then we're gonna level, release, and just a forward input to catch the flight path really nice. Just following the pitch attitude reference to make these corrections, and then climbing up to 10 degrees on the reference. And there's about a 2.5 degree climb, given that we're about 7 degrees angle of attack. Coming up on the right turn here, Chase. And coming right.
Nice.